Hi, in our series of Apple Photos app tutorials, we'll be exploring the Photos app inside out, every single detail to the last possible concept that you must know in order to use the software efficiently. So, in our first tutorial, we'll be exploring how to open the Photos app. So, there are multiple ways of doing that. First is you locate the Photos library and then you double click on it and it will open. Second is to either find it in your sidebar or lower bar. Typically, it is on the lower side, but we have moved it to the left side. So you can do that as well, or you can just search by pressing command and space keys and then just type photos, and then you will find the Photos app which you can select or press enter and then open the Photos app. Then the last library that you had opened will open. So this was the last one which we created just moments ago. So how would you create a new Photos app library? How will you do that? Just press the option key on your keyboard and then click on the Photos app icon which is there on your sidebar, and various options. For example, would you want to open a recently opened library, so it will show you all the list of that, or would you like to locate the library wherever that is, or you would like to create a new Photos app library. And if you would like to create a new library, then where would you like to place that? So in this case, let's say we would want to save it within the pictures folder. So yeah, you can just name it whatever you want and you can just click on OK. When you will click on OK, it will create a blank photos album. For example, no photographs in this case because it is a new one, but had it been an old library, it would have had a lot of photographs or videos as well. So Apple Photos app supports both photos as well as videos, so it's great for both. And there are various features that you can explore, which we'll be doing just now. So yeah, this was a quick overview of Photos app, and we will be exploring further in our coming tutorials. Thanks so much for watching this tutorial. If you liked it, please subscribe to our YouTube channel, and if you didn't, then leave a comment so that we can improve it further. Do watch these suggested tutorials to learn even more, and do let us know what you want to learn on Being Skilled.